Good morning, everyone. Myself Khyati Baria and my teammates are Saurabh Moria and Rohit Yadav. Today we are going to perform experiment number 6, that is exploring VPN security using Cisco Packet Tracer. So what is VPN security? VPN security stands for Virtual Private Network. It basically gives us a secure connection over a internet or any shared public network. VPN uses encryption to create secure connections over unsecure internet infrastructure. Privacy is achieved by authenticating the connecting parties and encrypting the communication channel to prevent eavesdropping on data transferring the channel. Next time, next slide. We are going to use Cisco Packet Tracer for performing this experiment. Cisco Packet Tracer is a cross-platform virtual simulation that allows users to create network topologies, and students can use this to implement complex and large structures because it is physical to implement it on a virtual device due to cost cost factors. You can download the Cisco Packet Tracers from the given link below. As this experiment is going to take lot time in implementation, we directly move forward in the implementation part, which is going to carry forward by my teammate Rohit Yadav.
Good morning, everyone. Okay, so we are not gonna show you how to install a Cisco packet tracer. I'm just showing you directly where you can download it. You can download it from this network. Now we are going to show you directly how we are gonna do. This is what we are gonna do. Means there is three routers and two PCs, and the IP addresses given. We are gonna assign one by one, and we will gonna show that we will show the demo. We will show you demonstration. Okay. So what? So we will start it from here. This is router one. We will go in command line interface. So we will enable it. We will in router one. Okay. So we will assign first this interface Ethernet F00. Just see how I'm gonna see. This one. I'm gonna assign this one. So this is this name is 1FA0. So we came in this uh, configuration. So we will add IP addresses 192.168.1.1. This is 192 means this each class C class C network. So the default mask is 255.255.0, and we will move set it. And now we will go back, and we will select another interface, this one FA01, and we will assign to that particular IP address. Now we have come in, and we will add it 192 1.0.0.1. This is class 1 class A IP address. So default mask is 25.0.0.0. So we will do node shut. This happens in router 1. Okay, we haven't given the name of router, so we can give it here, host R1. Now we will go in router 3, same configuration. So this is enable uh, config. We will go in config mode. So host R3, and we will now go in this network. So int FA, all uh, interface Ethernet is given like FA00, FA01, FA00, FA01. So you can understand this. So we I'm on this. So 0, 0, and we will assign the IP address 2.0.0.2, and this is some classes. So and node set exit फिर IP add. I'm on this. Okay. 192.168 and 2.1, and this is classes, so 2525.2552. Okay, 0. uh, what happened? Okay, we didn't haven't select the what interface, so we have to first do the 192.168 and 2.1, 255.255.0, and we will more set it. So this event in then similarly we will do on this router 3. We will go in command line interface. Simply enter your name. Uh, so enable it. We will go in config mode and use name R2, and we will assign the IP address int FA0, 0. We I'm on this. Okay, so so IP at 1.0.0.2 and 255.255 0.0.0. We no set it. You can see the demonstration. Now we will exit from this and we will go in this video. So in PFA 0.1, A 0.1, and we add IP 2.0.0.1. So 255 0 0 0, and we will do node set. Okay, these all things I have done. Now we will do routing from this to this. So how we will wanna do this? Let's see. One second, we will exit. Okay, no, no, we will go in config mode and IP route. I'm on this. I'm routing from this router to this one. This is default routing, so there is particular protocol. So we will give the this IP addresses of this router to here. So 1.0.0.2. Okay. Similarly, we will go in router 3. We will go by, and now I am out 0.0.0.0, and I'm routing from this router to this router, so this IP address which is here. Okay. I think routing is done. Let's see how our working or not. So we will send packet from this router to this router. So I am on this, and we will put the IP address of this router. So let's see this is working or not. You can see the success rate is 60%, but when you do it again, then it will show 100%. You can see. Okay, success rate. Now we will similarly check on our router one. We will exit it here. So ping. We will give this IP address. We will enter here this IP address. So 2.0.2. Okay, I think it's working fine. You can see. Now what will we gonna do? We will gonna create one tunnel. What tunnel does? Tunnel means it creates one means uh, actually what comes which router comes in pathway sending packet from this router to this router. We are totally means this is act like there is no router in between. Actually पैकेट तो उधरी से ही जाएगा, बट उसको कोई सिक्योर मतलब क्या बोलते हैं परमिशन नहीं रहेगा जो बीच में राउटर्स आएंगे. सो वी विल क्रिएट टनल. वी विल गो इन कॉन्फ़िग मोड. ओके, what we will do interface tunnel. This is the command. Okay, you have to learn the interface tunnel. We will now we will what we will do, we will select the source to root. कहाँ से कहाँ तक मतलब अपने को टनल बनाना है. तो what we will do for that, there is command already. So what's the name of, let's see. Okay, 1 second, I have to remember that I forget. And we will assign the IP address to the tunnel. Yes. Okay. टनल को IP एड्रेस देंगे हम लोग. IP एड्रेस 172. This is class 2 IP address. I don't know why they are using this. Okay, The tunnels 255.255.00. So we know that class B IP address and subnet mask is 255.255 and 0. Okay. Now we will select the source tunnel, mm, tunnel FA021. हम लोग यहाँ से यहाँ जाने वाले हैं. So we this is source. You can understand it by naming also. From this router to this router, we are creating tunnel between this router to this router. So this is the source and destination is this. Okay. I don't know you are listening or not. Destination. And we will give the IP address 2.0.0.2. Okay. Now what we done? No shut. I think it happens. Now similarly we will do on router 3. Okay. We will go in config mode and we will give the tunnel name interface tunnel 100. Okay. We will give the IP address. What the IP address uh, 1 172.16.1.2 255 0 and 0. Okay. And we will similarly what we have done here, same to same we will do here also. So tunnel source from this of means from this interface tunnel FA0.0. There is problem. I can't remember the name. But source FA00. It is FA00. Okay. FA00, FA01, FA00, FA01, FA00, FA01 like that. So from this source to we will assign to this 1.0.01 destination. Okay. So it will be like that. 1.0.0.1. Okay. We will do node share. I think now what we will do, we will we will do routing. Okay, I haven't remember the name. I have to remember that. 1 second. Just 1 second. We will do routing. Okay, exit running. What we do here, IP route 192.168.1.0 and 255.255.0 172 1.1. Okay, so what happened? I don't know what is happening here. Let me see. One second. IP route. 2.0, 25, 1.2. Okay, I think we are doing something wrong in this. Yeah, there is dot between 0 and 1. We will improve it. Okay. Root 192.168.1.0.255.255.0 and 172.161.2. I think panel is created. Let's see. Show the interface panel 100. This is, I think, the panel is created. So this after entering this command, this type of things come. And similarly, we will check on this also. Panel is created for now. So what we use interface show interface panel can. Okay. Now what we, I think everything okay. We haven't assigned the IP addresses to these PCs. Okay. So we will go IP configuration and we will assign it. So 192.168.1.2 PC and default gateway. This is the default gateway for this PC. Okay. So 192. Okay. 168 1.1. Yeah, which way? I don't know this is gonna work or not. I'm doing, but I can. I will similarly assign on this PC also. I will go. So 192.168.2.2. Okay, and default gateway for this 192.168 and 1 point but 2.1. Default gateway for this PC is this. Okay, I think we are done. Let's see how it will gonna work or not. So what we will does, we will go in PC2 and we will, yeah, we will select command terminal and we will check the IP config. So we are in this IP on this IP address and we are gonna send the packet from this IP address to this IP. So let's see if gonna work or not. The IP address of this PC is what is 192.168 2.2. Yeah, let's see if working or not. I don't know. This should work. Version loss. Let me check. What are you doing wrong? We haven't, okay, we haven't checked our channel is working or not. Let's see. We have, we are on this router. The tunnel IP address of this router is 172.16.1.1. We are sending packet from this router to this router from tunnel. Let's see it is working or not. Yeah, it is working fine. Still, I don't know. So, okay. No, 172.16.1.2, which is also working fine. Okay, we will gonna send from this PC to this PC. Don't know why it is not working. On this PC, so this command shows the information about this PC. Okay, and let's see. 192.168. 1.2. We are giving the IP address of this.